How I actually monetized my YouTube channel in 9 days. I've probably created about 100 YouTube channels, but not a single one was successful. On some days, I'd think of new ideas, but nothing ever worked out. One day, while I was watching YouTube Shorts, I came across an amazing video idea. That idea is now on its way to making me a millionaire. I'm currently earning a significant monthly income just from YouTube. Today, in this video, I'm going to talk all about how I did it. So, let's get into the video. First, I quickly created 14 high-quality videos that fit the niche I mentioned earlier. I was impatient to try out this niche. You should also find a niche that works for you and create your videos. Make about 15 short videos or about 10 long videos. Next, you need to create a YouTube channel and upload these videos correctly. If you go on YouTube, you can find many videos on how to create a USA-based channel. After that, you simply need to upload the videos. So I uploaded my first one. My first video got about 3.5K views, and the second one got 6.7K views. It went on like that until my 12th video, which got 6.7 million views. Honestly, I felt such a surge of energy at that moment. It was something I never thought would happen. I was so incredibly happy that day. So, by uploading 2 videos a day, I managed to complete the requirements for monetization.
Oh my God! Wow!
I honestly have no words, friends. I'm just so happy. After that, I successfully got YouTube monetization. Now, I'm earning a large income through it. If you want to see my income, leave a comment on this video saying, "Super video." Also, don't forget to share this video, because I'll only release the second part if this video gets at least 10,000 views. In that video, I'll bring you all the details, including what my niche is, how much my income is, and how I made the videos. What I wanted to teach you today in this video is that no matter what kind of content you upload to YouTube, you should first create a bunch of videos. This gives us great motivation and also gives us time to create our next videos. So, how was today's video? If you learned something today, I ask you to stay with me. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's meet again with a brand new video like this. Have a great day, everyone.